Wagwan people, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a reason about body count. If she say, me and my ex still cool, but she get defensive when you ask why. Boss, them not cool, she keeping the engine warm. If every party she there Friday, Saturday and Sunday, and she can't remember who buy the liquor, you don't need Dr. Phil, she belong to the streets. Some girl have more mileage than rush hour and still a look man for settle down. Baby girl, go service the engine first. Make sure the mileage reset before you come talk about wifey material.
Have you ever looked at a woman and felt like she knows something you don't? Like she's been through love so many times, she can dance through heartbreak as if it doesn't even hurt anymore. You're there watching her smile, but deep down you know it doesn't reach her eyes. And still, you fall, because she reminds you of the feeling you've been chasing, that warmth, that mystery, that spark that makes you feel alive again. But what if what you feel isn't love? What if it's just the echo of every man before you? A well-practiced tenderness. A pattern disguised as passion. See, this modern world is full of performances. Everyone is playing some role to protect the soft parts of their heart. And some women, they've become masters at it. Not evil, just shaped by survival. Shaped by disappointment, trained in the art of pretending she doesn't need what she still longs for. She learned long ago that vulnerability isn't safe, so now she offers imitation instead of intimacy, touch instead of trust, excitement instead of effort. So the man looks at her and says, "She's different. She's special. But I'll tell you the truth, my friend. What you're feeling might not be connection. It might be conditioning. She knows how to make a man feel seen, but not known. She knows how to share secrets, but not her soul. She gives you access, but never entry. And you? You mistake performance for peace, intensity for intimacy. You call the storm chemistry, when really it's just trauma dancing with trauma. So how do you know? How do you see through the sweetness, the softness, the script? Pay attention to the silence, my friend. The quiet moments tell you more than the kisses ever will. Notice how she acts when you're not trying to impress her. How she moves when no one is watching. If her peace feels uneasy, she's still running from herself. Ask yourself this: does she crave love, or does she crave attention? Does she listen to understand, or just to respond? When you speak truth, does she grow quiet, or become defensive? And be honest with yourself now, because some of you love the illusion. You say you want a real woman, but you're addicted to the chase, to the danger, to the drama that makes you feel alive. Maybe she isn't the only one wearing a mask. Maybe you like her performance because it mirrors your own.